Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the KanDao 3D camera. So basically, it's a 3D camera with a viewer. This is the viewer right here, and this is the camera. I ordered the kit. So the kit has the an extra battery and a battery charger, as you can see right there. And they also give you a 64 giga memory card. Okay, so as you can see, this camera is not a simple camera. It's actually a very dedicated photographic camera, and it does 60 frames per second at 4K, so that's a lot. It has a 24 megapixel 3D photo if you want to take photos, which I probably won't, but I will demonstrate that. It has a 2.4 inch touchscreen. That's amazing. And it has a 37 ppd. So that's PPD UHD magnetic viewer. So that's you can preview and you can just view all the videos and pictures with the viewer. It has a 847 ppi display. So and it has a 1000 nit max brightness, so you can use it outside. Snap and view online sharing. I don't know what that's about. IP67 waterproof and dustproof, steady stabilization, so that's good. So I hope it's as good as or even better than a smartphone. And it has an app. I was gonna say app edit and 3D effects, so I guess you have to download that. Right here's the QR code, and of course it's a 3D webcam. And what you have in the box is the camera, the viewer, the quick start guide, the warranty, storage bag, length cloth, the Echo hand strap, USB cable for charging, a battery, of course, and the selfie mirror. Oh, that's interesting. So let's open it up. Wow, this is one elaborate box. That's the viewer right there. And of course, the camera. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is install the battery. To install the battery, you go over here on this side, like that, and you use your nail, pull that down like that, and then open it. Here's the battery. It's going to be in this direction like that. Goes in and close.
Please put on your 3D goggles at this time. The movie will start in just a few moments. Make sure you are sitting down and that you are in a safe place. If you have any drinks around you, please move them away.